kilay, sa totoo lang. Alam mo na, marami magagaling na magkilay sa buong mundo. Pag mali yung stroke mo, baka mabash ka. Sensya na ha. Kung di ka ma-perfect ang kilay ko. Talaga sa lamig mamaya. Ito na, suot ko na yung aking coat. Sobrang malamig. Yan. Para kunyari natural. Moist, natural, chorba-chorba, and everything like that. Okay? Smile! What I did in this video is really difficult because I tried adapting Kathleen Light's New Year's Eve cut crease eye look. I do have a monolid eyes, and it's really difficult to do that because ang hirap talaga niyang gawin. I just happened to be interested in playing with makeup tonight and using Kathleen Light's makeup tutorial as my guide. So hindi ko naman talaga totally ginaya. I was just interested in doing cut crease, but it's not really like mahirap siya, Plus, yung pilik mata ko, ay ang hirap niyang, mali kasi yung napili kong pilik mata. In this video, you will see my struggle achieving this eye look. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. At yeah, keep on watching. So, ito yung reason kung bakit hindi ko masyadong nagagandahan ng makeup ko. Kasi, first of all, aside from, hindi ako talaga magaling mag-makeup. Ano to? Malabo kasi yung mata ko. Blend na lang. Blend. Mukha na bang black eye? Under eye is the same color lang naman nung nandun sa upper lid. So, yan. Try mo lang i-imitate yung color. So, lagyan natin ulit ng shape tape. Uy, mahirap ang trabaho ng makeup artist, ha? Siyempre, kailangan i-please mo yung clients mo. So, kailangan talagang meron ka at the same time talagang maganda kung nag-aral ka sa makeup school, dahil sa makeup school naman talaga ituturo yung formal lessons, tsaka pang pro na talaga yun. Tsaka kung meron kang lisensya or meron kang certificate of completion sa makeup school. Mas mataas syempre yung possibility na magkaroon ka ng magagandang clients. I have a friend na nag-aral na siya formally. And her name is Cheng. Hi, Cheng. Mars. If you're watching, I miss you. Nag-aral na siya sa isang professional makeup school. At before naman siyang mag-aral doon, talagang magaling na siyang mag-makeup. Meron talagang talent ang batang yun. At napakagaling nun. Follow niyo siya sa Instagram account niya. Tapos i-DM niyo lang siya. So, cut crease na ba itong tawag dito? Ba yun? Kathleen Lights, guide me! Naluwian ko ulit ng concealer yung ibabaw kasi nakain nung eyeliner ko yung space ng concealer. And then, babalik ako with my eyebrows na. I did my best, but I really guess the best is not so good enough. Tanggalin ko na nga lang itong pilik mata ko. Tsaka bells. Loose. Loose Biminda. Party girl. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye! Happy New Year! I've been awaiting hard.